Hello students, in today's video we will be going to discuss about the use of these three identities, that is identity number 1 a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square, a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square, and third one a minus b multiplied with a plus b, that is a square minus b square. So students, let's check out our maths book exercise 5.3 where there are 10 questions to be solved with the help of these three identities. We have already done the question number 1 in our previous video. So now let's start with the question number 2. So where the question number 2a is that we have to evaluate the value of this 3p minus 1 by 2 multiplied with 3p plus 1 by 2. When we will observe this given problem very carefully, we can easily identify that this 3p minus 1 by 2 and this 3p plus 1 by 2 is in the form of a minus b multiplied with a plus b. So we can use this identity in this problem. So what will be the result? It is your 3p whole square, that is means a square minus b square, that means 3p whole square minus 1 by 2 whole square. The result will be our 9p square minus 1 by 4. So that means we can use these three identities very easily. So if we will move to the next part of the exercise, that means in question number 3 and question number 4 and so on, we will see that there are so many questions can be solved with the help of this identity. So let us try the question number 3a. Now let's see question number 3a. What is the question number 3a is there? In question number 3a, the question is that find the square of some given expressions. So let's see question number 3a. So we are asked to find the square of this number expression. So how we will find the square? The square of this expression is this, the square of this, okay? And if we will again observe this very carefully, we can find that this 5a minus 1 by 3 is in the form of a minus b whole square. So what is the value here? 5a whole square, that means it is a square minus 2ab will come minus 2a. A means 5a and b means 1 by 3. And then b square. B square means here b is 1 by 3. So plus b square means 1 by 3 whole square. If we will evaluate this one, we will get this is as 25a square. Now see, 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 1 by 3. The answer will be minus 10 by 3a, and the third part is 1 by 9. So that means we can use these identities very carefully and very easily in question number 3 also. If we will move to the next part of the question, that is question number 4, we can find that. Let's see question number 4, how we can solve. In question number 4, A, what is the question there? We have to evaluate the value of this 58 square without doing actual multiplication. That means we cannot multiply it in this way. We are not asked to do by this method. Okay, so how we can solve? So again, this 58 can be split into two parts. Either is in this form or is in this form. So I am splitting this 58 whole square in the form of this one. Let's see what will happen. It is 60 minus 2. 58 means 60 minus 2 and the whole square is whole square. Now let's see. It is 60 minus 2. That means it is a minus b whole square. So what is the formula? A square, in the place of a square it will come 60 square. Okay, then minus 2ab. So in the place of 2ab what will come? 2 means 2 and a means 60 and b means 2. here, and then third part is b square, and the b is 2 square. So here the value will be 60 square means 3600, and this 60 multiplied by 2 means 120 multiplied by 2 means 240, and then it is 4. So now we can find this with the help of our subtraction and addition. So let's see, 3600 and minus 240. So let us find 3600 and 240 very carefully. It is 0, it is 6, 5 minus 2, 3, and it is 3. 3360 plus 4. That means 3364. The value of this is 3364. This type of questions will help us in our different competitive exams where the numbers will be very large. We cannot multiply it by our general multiplication. So we can use this type of techniques, that means splitting the terms, splitting the numbers in the form of a plus b, a minus b. So let's go to our next part of this question. So question number 4. Which question we will go? Question of 4c. Let's go to question of 4c. So where we can understand that splitting and using of these identities will help us very carefully and easily in our different types of problem solving. Okay, let's go for question number 4c. What is the question? 98 multiplied by 102. Now let's see what will happen. 98 and 102. I will write 98 as 100 minus 2. Sorry, 100 minus 2, and this 102 means 100 plus 2. Yes or no? Look, I split it. 98 is 100 minus 2 and 102 is 100 plus 2. Now this is looking in the form of a minus b multiplied with a plus b. That is this formula, and this formula will result as a square minus b square. So what is the value of a square? That means 2, again 20, and this is 4. That means here 10,000 minus 4 means 9,996. The result of this is 9,996. So that means we can use these three identities very easily in any different types of questions. So now if we will move to the next part of the exercise, that is in question number, suppose I can take question number 7. Let's see how to do question number 7. What is the question number 7 is asking us? Let's see. In question number 7, the question number 7 is that it is given x minus 1 by x is equal to 10. Then we have to find the value of what? X square plus 1 by x square. So what we will do? We will think something different this time. So how we will solve? Let's see. So in question it is given, this part is given. So what we will do? We will square on the both sides. X minus 1 by x equal to 10. Then squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. So what we will get? Like this we will get. See, x minus 1 by x whole square is equal to 10 square. Yes or no? So in this what we can get? This is in the form of a minus b whole square. So now let's see. It is x square minus 2 multiplied by a means x multiplied by b means 1 by x, and then is 1 by x whole square, b square, and the result is equal to 100. Now let's see what will happen. This x and x will cancel. So the result of this will be x square minus 2 plus 1 by x square. is equal to 100. Okay, then what we will get? So if we will shift this 2 to that side, means solving through systematic pattern of the equation. So what we will get? So we will get as this. You just see it very carefully, you will understand. So what we will get? We will get this one as x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 100 plus 2. So the result will be 102. So like this we can solve the different types of questions in our exercise 5.3 with the help of these three identities.